welcome to my channel. My name is Lynn, and today I'm going to show you how to create this no foundation look. It takes about 10 minutes to do. It's super quick. This is kind of my everyday, like when I'm going to class or I need to, you know, quickly just do grocery shopping and stuff like that, and I don't have time to do a full face of makeup. This is kind of the look that I go for. So yeah, I hope you guys like it and have an amazing day. Bye guys. Alright, so first off, I'm going to start with the Painterly paint pot from MAC. And I'm just gonna put that all over my lid. I don't have a big mirror here, so I have to use one of these. Just gonna put that all over my lid. I'm just gonna let that set for a little bit. Next I'm using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Erase Dark Circles in Light. I'm just going to put this all under my eyes. And I just like to put it around my nose as well because I have a little bit of redness in the nose area, and then just like a tiny little bit of like discoloration in the chin area. So that's kind of why I like to just put that there. And then I'm using the sponge. This is the Physicians Formula sponge. And then whatever's kind of left over, I kind of just like bring down my nose, and I'll dab like a little bit on the forehead. Like that. And then, because we're not using foundation, I'm actually just using a powder, and this is the Light Plus by MAC. And I'm just kind of putting this in the areas where I didn't put like concealer, and then whatever's left over on my brush I'll kind of put underneath the eye area. And I'm just using a Morphe E53 brush. Just whatever's like left over, kind of just dab that. So that's that. So then next I'm going in with some bronzer. This is the So Baked bronzer in Heat Wave, and I'm using a Morphe M509 brush for this. And I'm kind of using this like to contour and bronze at the same time. And I am kind of like bringing it up to the like the cheek area as well, and kind of whatever's left over I kind of bring up. And then with the same bronzer, I'm using a, I don't know what brush this is, but just like a fluffy brush, and I'm just going into the bronzer again, and I'm just putting that all over my lid and kind of blending it out. Just wash my brushes so there's always like hair, so the brushes that falls out. And that is all that I'm doing for eyeshadow. So next I'm going to go in with a little bit of highlight, and I'm using the Master Chrome by Maybelline, and this is in the Molted Golden. And I'm using the same brush that I used for the bronzer. Just very lightly swoop that down the nose, a little bit of the Cupid's bow. Again, this is supposed to be like a no makeup look, so you don't want too much. Next I'm going to go in with brows. This is the just the NYX brow pencil in taupe. And I'm actually going in with the brow gel first. This is also NYX brow gel in Tinted Brow Mascara in Chocolate. You can see it makes a little bit of a difference. Not too much, but you want it to look very, very natural. Like so. And next, what's next? Mascara. So I'm just gonna curl my lashes. I'm actually like terrified when other people curl my lashes, because one time a makeup artist like pinched my eye so bad, so I've been like traumatized ever since. Like I get really nervous and sweaty when somebody else wants to curl my lashes. I'm like, can I please do it? And for mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensation. I love this mascara so much. Just a little bit, kind of like on the outer edges of the bottom lashes. I don't want to do too much. And this is it.